My name is Mano de Jong.
I'm Jillian Hansen.
Sid Johnston.
OVM installation engineer.
Construction HSC lead.
Construction engineer.
On Shell Appomattox.
Appomattox.
Amazing Appomattox.
I think I've managed to learn something new every day.
Displaced weight is around 120,000 tons, bigger than an aircraft carrier.
You're walking up to the platform itself and you're just in complete awe.
It's like a floating city. You really get an appreciation for all the hard work, the different people that come together to build a project like this.
I've known people that I've worked with on this project since I started at Shell 34 years ago.
I think for a lot of people on the project, including myself, this is a highlight in our careers.
Oh, I'm super excited. I'm ready to go.
Big day, fantastic day.
It's time for it to go, but it's always a strange feeling to see it leave. It's sort of like, a child leaving home and going off to college.
I'm proud to be a part of the team that helped push this through all the way around. It's all about the people.
The Appomattox team has truly been a family, and you need that family feel to it to really get the intense collaboration that is needed to have an enormous project like this.